Can you guess bird? I can talk like a human and love colorful feathers. It is parrot. I'm the fastest bird in the world, diving at lightning speed. It is falcon. I live in cold places, can't fly, but swim very well. It is penguin. I'm awake at night. My eyes are big and I hoot. It is owl. I have a long beak and catch fish from rivers. It is kingfisher. My feathers are pink, and I often stand on one leg. It is flamingo. I deliver messages in ancient times and love to race. It is pigeon. I'm known for dancing and my beautiful crown of feathers. It is peacock. I'm black and smart, often seen stealing shiny things. It is crow. I soar high and represent freedom in many flags. It is eagle.